welcome to my new reaction video. And today, we will be reacting to a cat video. So, be sure to cut. It was too messy, alright? So let's roll it back. Alright, on your mark. Rusty, from the top.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Action. Hello everyone, and welcome to my new reaction video.
So, what's it been like working with the boss?
Working with Dominick on the new Dominick Reacts video has been nothing short of stressful.
Why is that?
The man's a maniac.
2, 1.
Action. Hello everyone, and I was originally worried about him, but now I'm just scared. Hey, did I say you guys can go on break?
Well, you're in the bathroom, so...
Get back to work. Hello everyone, cut. Smells like shit in here. That was you!
We've been shooting the same reaction video for 2 weeks now. We've made 0 progress.
It's missing something. It needs a hook. It needs a hook. The intro's the hook. It needs, you know what it needs? It needs more CGI. More CGI. There isn't any to begin with. Shut the up. It needs a dinosaur.
When the show originally started, the budget was like 0. But now that he's hired a whole crew, we're about to break $1,000.
I need a dinosaur, and that's what I'm gonna get. We can't afford that.
Come on, just do what the man says.
Don't patronize me.
Wow, you really did shit in here.
Hey, let's go.
Almost done.
You have 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2.
It's almost over, buddy.
Yeah, until he wants to add a transformer for no reason.
Hey, last day of filming. You excited?
Kill me. Language. You. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ciao. It's done. All right, let's edit this thing.
Is it almost done?
It's done. Okay, before we watch this, I just want to say something. I know I haven't been the best to you guys, and I just want to say the project, it wouldn't be possible if it weren't for you guys. So let's just give you all a huge round of applause. All right, let's watch this thing. Without further ado, Dominick Reacts. Hello everyone, and welcome to my new reaction video. And today we'll be reacting to a cat video. And guys so much for watching. Ciao. You okay? From the top. What? From the top.